Are you tired of taking expensive medications and dealing with their side effects? Are the supplements you're taking not giving you any benefits? If that's the case, then there's no need to worry anymore. 'Cause I have brought you a recipe that is mostly used in Africa. This magical recipe contains all natural ingredients and has 0 side effects. All you need to do is take it in the morning on an empty stomach with warm milk. That's it. This special recipe is designed to boost blood flow to the penis and help you achieve stronger erections naturally. And maybe this recipe is the reason for their, what should I say? Strength? Let's get straight to it. Now, please allow me to quickly talk about the benefits of these ingredients first and how they contribute to better blood flow and stronger erections. Then I'll tell you about making of this recipe. Okay, so first one is dried ginger. Now, dried ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have been shown to enhance blood circulation. Improved blood flow is crucial for achieving and maintaining strong erections, as it ensures an adequate supply of blood to the penile tissues. And it also has those potent anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body, which can, again in turn, support better erectile health. And most important, it helps in the production of nitric oxide. Now, I'm assuming you all know how much nitric oxide is important for erections. Just like a car engine needs fuel, air, compression, and a spark to start, achieving an erection also requires a few key elements as well. First, the brain sends a signal that triggers sexual arousal. Then, proper blood flow is essential to direct blood to the penis. Nitric oxide plays a vital role here. It helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow. If any of these components are missing, such as a lack of nitric oxide, then an erection won't occur. In the same way that an engine won't start without fuel, air, compression, and a spark, so without nitric oxide, an erection simply can't happen. Now, understanding how these processes are interconnected is important, as everything needs to work together for our body to function properly. Okay, so number 2 is cardamom. Now, some studies suggest that cardamom helps boost testosterone levels. And higher testosterone levels are associated with increased libido and better sexual performance. Cardamom contains essential oils and compounds that ensures sufficient blood reaches the penile tissues. And also, it has natural anxiolytic properties, meaning it helps reduce anxiety and stress, since stress and anxiety can negatively affect erectile function. So, consuming cardamom can support mental well-being as well as improve sexual health. All right, so number 3 we have cinnamon. Now, if you're diabetic, then this is something which is very good for you. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is important for overall health, including sexual health, as high blood sugar can lead to vascular damage and erectile dysfunction. Furthermore, it also has been shown to boost nitric oxide production, and it contains compounds that help improve blood circulation. And you know what's the good thing I personally like about this? Is that the scent of cinnamon is so good. I hope some of you might agree. And also, it has been found to increase sexual arousal in men. Okay, so next up is black pepper. There is an active compound in black pepper called piperine, which enhances the bioavailability of other ingredients, meaning it helps your body absorb the nutrients better, which is great for circulation and metabolism. Okay. So next amazing thing is cloves. Cloves are known for their aphrodisiac properties. Now, due to oxidative stress, if your blood vessels and penile tissues got damaged, then the antioxidants in cloves can help. By reducing oxidative stress, cloves support the health of blood vessels, promoting better erectile function. They can also help boost libido and sexual arousal. Some studies also suggest that cloves help boost testosterone levels. It also helps in regulating blood sugar levels, boosting nitric oxide production, and much more. Okay, so next up is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, derived from the fennel plant, offer several health benefits. These seeds have phytoestrogenic properties, which can help balance hormones in the body, including testosterone. Fennel seeds support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving overall heart function. Also, it reduces inflammation, provide antioxidant effects, improves digestion, reduce anxiety and stress, and also boosts nitric oxide production. And then we have nutmeg powder. It's a natural aphrodisiac and a spice made from grinding the seeds of the nutmeg tree. Nutmeg helps reduce anxiety as well as depression due to its antidepressant property. In traditional medicine, such as the Unani system of medicine used in South Asia, nutmeg is used to treat sexual disorders. Okay, so the last ingredient we are left with, basil leaves. Basil leaves, often referred to as holy basil or tulsi in some cultures, are well known for their numerous health benefits. Basil leaves have been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac. Again, basil leaves are great for improving blood flow and reducing stress. They also help in balancing hormones. They are believed to enhance libido and improve sexual performance. The eugenol and other compounds in basil can help increase blood flow and reduce oxidative stress, supporting better erectile function. Basil leaves contain essential oils, such as eugenol, citronellol, and linalool, which have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These compounds help boost the immune system, making the body more resilient against infections and diseases. The adaptogenic properties of basil also contribute to improved mental health. Regular consumption of basil leaves can enhance mood, reduce symptoms of depression, and improve cognitive function. Alright, so now that we have all the natural ingredients, let me share that magical recipe. Okay, so time to prepare. At first, slice the dried ginger into small pieces. Heat a pan over medium flame. Dry roast the ginger pieces until they lose their moisture and become fragrant. Remove and let cool on a large baking sheet. Roast cloves until aromatic. Remove and cool. In the same way, roast black peppercorns until they release their aroma. Remove and cool. Roast cardamom pods until fragrant. Remove and cool. Roast cinnamon sticks until aromatic. Remove and cool. Roast fennel seeds until they turn slightly brown and release their aroma. Remove and cool. Add basil leaves and dried mint leaves, roasting briefly for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and spread the roasted spices on a baking sheet to cool completely. Once cooled, grind the dried ginger pieces into a fine powder using a spice grinder or blender. Transfer to a bowl. Next, grind the roasted spices, cloves, black peppercorns, cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, fennel seeds, basil, and mint leaves until they form a fine powder. Combine the ginger powder with the roasted spice powder in the grinder. Add the nutmeg powder and blend everything together to ensure a uniform mix. Alright. So, the next you need to do is to store. Transfer the final spice blend into an airtight container and store in a cool, dry place. For best results, take 1 teaspoon of this mixture and add it to a cup of warm water or tea. Stir well and let it sit for a minute before drinking. The best time to consume this is in the morning on an empty stomach. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Remember, consistency is key, so make this a part of your daily routine for the best results.